So in order to change this headlight, you have to get the 4 10mm bolts, unhook the wiring right there too, and the whole light will come up. To take off the headlight, leave them up, same thing left, right, and get the, it's a marker light or tune signal, so taking the 10mm socket, the deep socket, and taking the 4 bolts out. Just like this. Hold it on the bottom, the headlight, so it will not go forward and drop on the floor, and slide it off. Just like this. So this is what I got here. It's the black one. You have a daily yellow amber lights. I already took the packaging off, so kind of, so basically you fish your wires through the openings for the lights on the other side. And putting a couple of nuts on the other side. So you put in a couple of nuts here and there, and then you can let it go. Put those nuts back, all 4. Get the 10mm tied. So this is for your high beam. Hook up. So sometimes you can't really know which way to go. So hook them up first, and then you have to tune on your headlights, and then you will see which one you hooked up right way, because sometimes that like that you just have to flip it over. So just go and tune on your headlights and you will see if you did good or not. Blinking is good, and I got low beam, and let's turn the high beam. High beam is good too. So you're pretty much all set. So I'll show you next video how I hooked up the daily light, the yellow or amber ones. Let's see how it will look now. So now it's time to put the LED in low beam, high beam, install those daily lights, the amber or yellow ones, and good to go.